Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
And we're back with another banger. Listen, this is what I see YouTubers doing. They're like, and we're back with another banger.
Okay.
So anyway, so today we have Kayla back on the channel.
Hello.
And Kayla wants to challenge me in a spelling bee competition. So, Kayla has 10 words for me, and I have 10 words for her.
So let's see how done you are.
May the best speller win.
Probably she, because honestly, at this point, with how 2020 is going, there's probably like 2 brain cells start dancing up there right
Wait,
now.
how much did you get in English?
I got a distinction.
I did not get a distinction, so there you go. Did you do literature?
I got a distinction.
See? I lose already, guys. Like, officially. But I'm going to be keeping score up here.
She's actually keeping score. She's writing names down and
because we need to make sure that, you know, the winner is the winner. So, word 1.
Yeah, sure, because somebody here is going to cheat.
Who's going to cheat? Word 1. Why is she looking at me? I am not a cheater. So I will give the first word. Let's start stop. No, you know what? You give the first word.
No, man. I hear.
No, you give the first word. Is that right?
No, go right ahead.
Alright, so we're going to start off easy, you know. And the first word is misspell.
MISSPELL.
Yeah!
Okay. I was literally in my head like, is there only one S in this? Do the 2 words share an S? Says the person who did SATs.
Listen, distinction. Mm-hmm.
Child, I don't know if these are SAT words because SAT was not fun, by the way. It was terrible.
Alright, guys, I'm nervous.
Okay, let me find out. Oh, okay. This one easy, man.
Don't say that before you give me it.
Butterscotch.
Oh. Wait, don't scotch me again. Wait. B. Oh, I'm doing a spelling better. U. T. T. E. R. See, now. S. C. O. T. C. H.
Yes.
Hey, look at one.
Your name like said is odd.
Listen, you have no idea the nerves a while ago.
Oh, that is nice.
All right. Now for Kayla's next word. Pronunciation.
Oh, Lord. Ugh. Autocorrect me, you spell out already. I don't even understand. Autocorrect makes all of my text messages legitimate. All that literate. Oh God, where is it the word was? Pronunciation?
Mm-hmm.
P-R-O, pro, N-U-N, none, C-I-C-A-T-I-O-N.
Correct.
Okay.
Well, you're going like you can't spell.
I have to break it down like I'm in kindergarten.
Good job. What's my word?
Oh.
Struggle is real right now.
I can't give you that one. Kindergarten.
Lord have mercy. Listen. That's all I got autocorrect word. Kindergarten. Can you use it in a sentence, please? Kidding.
Children go to kindergarten.
K-I-N-D-E-R. So that's kinder.
Mm-hmm.
And then garden. So G-A-R-D-E-N. Is it right?
Kindergarten.
Listen! 10. You didn't say 10, you said din.
That's how you pronounce the word kindergarten.
No, you said din.
Whatever.
T-E-N.
There you go.
Made 0.5. 0.5. We're taking it. Right, 0.6. What is this? Can't spell our type. Next word, guys. Next word for Kayla. Handkerchief.
Mm-mm. HANDKERCHIEF.
Yeah, but like you can't spell.
Because everybody pronounces the word handkerchief, but nobody pronounces the D.
Especially Jamaicans.
So that's the thing though, because it's like in patois we like to leave off a lot of the letters.
Yes, which is why enough we can't spell. Me blame it upon that.
Listen, man, patois have a buzz though.
Everything have a buzz. Come, my word now from you.
Chill.
I mean, if you get that one here right, Kayla, so stop playing with me.
This really does depend on you. This has nothing to do with me. Okay, this one not add neither. Background.
Yeah, play with me.
Background.
BACKGROUND.
Exactly.
Background.
Background.
Okay, that I'm fooling. Is that right?
Alright.
No, never mind. Me like the word there. I'm good.
Difficulty level 2.
No. Watch out. Hey, people. Some word, there's another word there where you can't even like pronounce properly. So we wouldn't even try call it.
But at least we can spell pronunciation.
It's like a. Ooh. These are like this. Okay, so these are like some fun words that like we spell, but I'm not so how it be.
Say.
Yeah.
Let's see what Charlene has in store.
Sacrilegious.
SACRELIGIOUS.
No. SACRILE.
Okay.
But that's how people always spell it. The way how you spelled it, that's how people always spell it.
Okay. Because that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's how it sounds. Alright.
Hey, we are back on the level playing field, guys.
Okay.
So that was word 4. Alright, come in.
Okay. What is my word now? Insubstantial.
Really though? In. IN. Sub. SUB. Stantial. STAIN. TIAL.
No. You added in an extra I.
TAL, right?
STANTIAL.
We don't like her, no. We don't. It's alright. No, don't worry yourself. Minuscule.
I hate you.
Mm-hmm.
MINISCULE. It's wrong.
Yeah, because that's all the way people normally spell it. But it's MINU. Minuscule.
Menu? Sounds like menu.
Back in the game, guys. 5 more words to go.
Well, at least everybody knows how I spell it how everybody else spells it.
What's my word? No, you have a very long list over there. You have options.
And I pick, like, the easy ones.
Wait, so we are trying to say
That there's some very interesting words on this
offended.
list. That there's some very interesting looking words on this list.
Bust a word.
Can't use that. Can't use that either.
She low-key tell me I'm done, you know?
Girl, I wouldn't be able to spell these words if I never looking on it right now. Okay. Agricultural.
And me ever spell this wrong and say, oh, I come to do agriculture in a school, like... Agricultural, right?
Mm-hmm.
Agricultural.
Yes.
Ah!
That would have been bad if you did
I'm
agricultural.
if you tell you passing a sex, you know all these things.
Oh my god.
Not even know the farm look.
Ma'am?
Oh,
ma'am.
conscientious.
CONSCIECOUS. No.
Why it's spelled like other people? It's CONSCIENTIOUS.
Okay.
Yo, me like that word there. The word there, my buzz.
I'm telling you.
Come. I wish we were there now. 6 or 7. One of them. One.
Well, which word are there?
I got 6. No, this is number 7 now.
Okay. Biscuit. No.
I'm think about how they spell people because I'm simple word here. Yeah, Mr. I or something like that, but I say it there. Biscuit. BISC. You get tricky after that one later. The I come for the U or the U come for the I? I'm gonna say IUT.
UIT.
Damn it! Me know it. Me offended.
Biscuit.
Jesus.
Biscuit.
Hey, them single word there. Listen, man.
Shout out to Popeyes. And Mr. Biscuits.
It's alright.
I love biscuits from Popeyes. Popeyes biscuits are amazing.
Fuchsia.
FUSCHIA.
Hey, you spell it just like how people spell it. It's FUCHSIA.
Oh, okay.
Yo, the word of a buzz.
I am
Come in.
so tired of you.
Number 8. Mr. Lead.
Oh, here's a favorite for me.
Ah, Jesus.
Prenuptial.
I don't know that word.
I do. Very well, actually.
Pre.
Prenup.
PRE. Nup. NUP. TIAL.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
My bright.
Prenuptial.
Girl bright. Alright, girl bright. Orangutan.
No. No. We're going to forfeit that one. Because I know that I'm not going to be able to spell it properly.
Come. Orangutan.
I don't know how to spell orangutan. I can spell monkey.
No. Orangutan. Let's go. Orangutan.
Shut up.
Let's go.
ORAN. Oran. GA. Ga. That's where it gets weird.
No.
Though.
It's GU actually.
Oh, then I already lose then.
Oh, Jesus. All right.
Why is that such a difficult word to spell? I feel pretty sure that they spell it wrong at the zoo too.
All right, come, girl. We got 2 more words. I'm not sure if we're counting right, but it seemed like we have 2 words.
That's how life goes.
You forgive me this, and then we have 1 set after. So after you give me this, then 10 are come.
Alright.
Hey, they were that funny.
Tenacious.
Okay, we cannot spell that.
Well, me could have spelled orangutan. So, whatever.
What was the word again?
Tenacious.
T-E-N Asious. A-S-I-O-U-S?
No. Tenacious.
Whatever.
Like spacious.
Whatever.
Spacious.
So this is the final word, guys. So the final word has to be a good word.
No, it doesn't.
So the final word for Kayla is
I'm not gonna like it, so I already know what I'm going to give her.
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Tell me you still have sentence.
S-U-P-E-R, super, Cal, C-A-L, I, F-R-A, G, I, L, I-S, T-I-C, S-E-S,
E what?
S-Pialidocious.
So E what? I can't hear the letter E.
No, S.
No.
What the hell?
E-X. Hey, that go good enough
X.
things. Hey, that go spell it as supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Expialidocious.
Yes.
Not espialidocious.
But I know if I say I hear the word.
Girl, listen. We never did use them word there at school,
Hey, but then I said, God, no, Kayla, really, I gotta spell it right. Hey, you don't get it right too, you know. I said, God, no.
Your word is menagerie.
Can you use it in a sentence, please?
I don't think they'd monetize us for using this in a sentence.
What is the part of speech, please? Can you please repeat the word?
Okay, yeah. It's kind of like a dancery.
You can please repeat the word.
Menagerie. Menagerie.
Min or menagerie?
Girl, you never did pronunciate expialidocious, so you can't want to get menagerie. Sure.
Can you pronounce it again, please?
Menagerie.
M-I?
Nope.
What are they? M-E, what I get the wrong one. M-E.
Menagerie.
Girl, bye.
I'm not gonna explain that one to you because they're gonna demonetize it. Hi, YouTube.
So, Kayla got 3, and I got a whopping 4.5.
That says so much.
And out of 10, we did absolutely incredible. Look at there are people that get none.
Really?
So,
really?
So, we are spelling bee champions, okay? We
Sure.
spelled words that a lot of you need autocorrect to spell. So,
not even like a knocking job. We need autocorrect to some of them words, especially
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
whatever that is.
I can say it.
Well, hopefully now she can spell it too.
Still can't spell it. Whatever.
Child.
Oh my god, we want to thank Kayla for coming onto our channel. Please go subscribe to Kayla's channel. What's it called, Kayla?
It's Kayla Giselle.
Yes, please go subscribe. Look out for more vlogs. And Kayla's into anime, guys. So if you're into animes,
Anime.
same thing. Animes, same thing.
Yes. That is not illegal anymore.
I was pronounced the word like how it's spelled. Anyway.
Yes. She was actually.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, share.
I'm sure you have a lot of comments after this.
Probably.
Yeah,
I mean,
it was a very interesting experience to say the least. CXC was a long time ago.
Right? We don't use those words on a daily basis.
I have to spell like accounting or like vendor.
Yeah.
But
we see those every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Can you do the ant thing? It's so cute. And it just like, you have to put your hand over the camera though. So Kayla's gonna do the hand thing, guys. Woo! Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye.